Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update these bullet colors to be whatever color matches your design. So as an example, if we were to go ahead and change the background color to some custom color, let's say we did like a dark red, you'll see like it's automatically changing it to follow the contrast that's automatically being set up as your text color. But in some situations, it just doesn't turn out exactly how you want from an automatic perspective. Like let's say we had this kind of a color, and I actually do want all of my text to be more of a white, so you can go ahead and change that. However, you'll notice the bullet color just doesn't change at all. Now there used to be a way in Rise with the rich text editor where you could inspect the element and change that list color, but that doesn't work anymore with their new rich text editor that they released in 2024. So now what you need to do is use our Mighty Chrome extension, and that is how you could best update these colors. So let me go ahead and turn on the Mighty Chrome extension and I'll show you how that works. So now that I've got the Mighty Chrome extension down here, which you can see, as soon as I highlight all this text, you'll see our rich text editor. And as soon as we change this color to white, you'll see that the bullet color also changes. Now, if you wanted to change that bullet color to something specific, what you could do here is you could highlight these text items, go into the code view, and the code view is actually going to give you all of the HTML that builds up this rich text experience. And in here, what you could do is you could just go about changing this by taking this color. We could move this to the span itself. And then what we could do is we could update this color to the list item to be blue. So what this would do is it would make my bullet blue, but then my text inside of it would still remain white. So let's go ahead and close that. So now you could get a custom color for your bullet that's different than your text itself, kind of following a similar pattern that we see up here where the text is black, but the bullet color is blue. So that's how you do that. Just highlight the text, go to the code view, and then on the list item element, just set your color style. And then if you need your actual text color to be different, you can do that either on the span or on the P tag here. So super easy to do as soon as you get the Mighty Chrome extension. Thanks.